part of the steering committee for the It's My Day event, a wellness day for teachers and educators. And I have the pleasure to introduce you to Sylvie DAGENAIS-DOUVILLE. Sylvie is a speaker at It's My Day. Hi, Sylvie.
Hi, good morning, Sylvie. Nice to see you.
Nice seeing you too. So, Sylvie, you're going to be a speaker at the It's My Day. What's your workshop about? Can you tell us a little bit?
Well, the workshop is about laughter, and it's about, actually, I would even call it a play shop more than a workshop, because it's going to be fun. And so we are actually, I will introduce the idea of why we need to laugh, because most of us, or most of our teachers that are working right now, are stressed out. So I'm bringing laughter as a life tool, something that we need to use daily to reduce our stress and to make ourselves feel better, because it's all about wellness, isn't it? Well, what I present is based on laughter yoga, and I'll introduce the idea of yoga not meaning posture. Yoga actually means breathing. So we are breathing with the laughter breath. And this is something that we choose to do every day instead of waiting for something funny to happen. It's not based on humor. It's based on, we know that breathing properly and laughing, exhaling laughing, creates something, it changes our chemistry. So this is something that we, if you know and you understand the benefit and why, then you make this just as part of your daily routine. We know that science is behind us too, because we know that laughter makes us feel good. It's the best medicine. But why? It reduces our stress hormones. So this is why we need to do it more often. We're stressed out, we're producing endorphin, we're producing cortisol and adrenaline. And when we laugh, we actually produce endorphins, or happy hormones. And so we need to produce more of our happy hormones to reduce the stress hormones. So this is something that, as I said, for over 10 years, it's part of my life. It's a mission, it's a passion. And I think that the world needs this more than anything.